watch you smile from far away, like sunlight dancing on a rainy day. You never see the way I stare, the way I wish that I was there. Your laughter's like a song I know, but I'm the echo, soft and low. You talk to me like just a friend, but in my heart it never ends. If you only knew the songs I write with you in every lonely night. If you only saw the dreams I keep of you and me while you're asleep. But you don't see, and that's okay. I'll love you still in my own way, quiet and true, like sky so blue. If you only knew, if you only knew. I hide my hopes behind my eyes, pretend that I don't fantasize of days when maybe you would see the love I hold so silently. You talk of love like it's not near, while mine just whispers in your ear. Invisible but always there, like perfume floating in the air. If you only knew the tears I hide when you talk about some other guy. If you only saw how hard I try to be your friend and not ask why. But you don't feel what I feel too. Still I'm right here and I won't move, quiet and true, like sky so blue. If you only knew, if you only. Maybe someday the winds will change and you might look at me the same. But even if that day won't come, I'll never stop what I've begun. But you only knew the love I give, that asks for nothing just to live inside my heart where you belong, in every silence, every song. And though you never say it too, I'll always love the thought of you, quiet and true, like sky so blue. If you only